Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by collecting essentials and immediately creating entry points. Pick the single source and the format that fits the material. Use a 2-3 minute skim to mark headings and bold terms so you know what to capture. Once done, write concise headings and 1-2 sentence context lines under each heading. This anchors your notes. Make sure to use abbreviations and symbols to speed writing, and set a 10-15 minute timer to force focused capture without over-detailing. Now you compress and organize. Rewrite each paragraph into one short line using verbs and nouns only. That gives you high information density. Once done, link lines with arrows for cause and effect, and add one short example to solidify meaning. Make sure to create 2-3 acronyms for repeating terms and a tiny key for symbols so you understand them later. Vary line length. Mix punchy commands with brief explanations so review reads fast and teaches context simultaneously. Finish by prioritizing. Highlight the 3 items you must recall, then write a 30-second verbal summary you can say aloud. Once done, test yourself immediately by covering details and reciting the summary. This reveals gaps fast. Make sure to tidy abbreviations into a tiny legend at the top. If you hit confusion, stop, reread the original source to resolve ambiguity, and rewrite the affected line rather than adding more notes. Clarity beats quantity every time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.